So flat soda is not very good, but check out the total return of PepsiCo versus the VTI, the Vanguard Total Market Index. Year to date, PepsiCo is flat while VTI is down about 20%. So being flat in this case is a very good thing. Now, PepsiCo just raised their revenue outlook for the second time this year and beat their Q2 earnings estimate. PepsiCo's earnings per share came in at $1.86, which was 12 cents above the $1.74 expected. But like many companies, their net income is down almost 40% year over year. What's up, shipmates? I'm Russ, and you might know me as the guy who bought a share of PepsiCo a week for 100 weeks, making PepsiCo a core position of the portfolio. Now, PepsiCo, like many companies, is feeling their margins a little bit pressured because of the supply chain issues, the inflation issues, the war in Ukraine issues, but they're dealing with it, I think, pretty well, and the market is responding to that by keeping their share price pretty much flat. And what they're kind of doing in a nutshell is they're cutting costs and they're hiking prices in order to keep those profitable margins. Like how they just announced their 13% organic revenue growth, which organic just means stripping out any acquisitions and divestitures. And they also revised their organic revenue growth up to 10%, which looks like it should continue to pace inflation. Now, you know me, I always say that a living, breathing entity's first order of business is survival. And any business is no different. They want to survive and they're going to evolve and adapt. Now, Ramon LaGuarta, the CEO of PepsiCo, said in the United States, non-sugar beverages are growing 3 times the speed of full sugar. And in Western Europe, the non-sugar segment is close to 80% of the market. And because of that, brands like Gatorade Zero have become a billion-dollar brand in just 3 years, with non-sugar being king. I hope you got that. The CEO of PepsiCo just said that non-sugar is king. And he reiterated that non-sugar is an unstoppable trend in the beverage category and that every PepsiCo brand will have a non-sugar leg for the foreseeable future, as well as permissible snacks, which are pretty much anything but fried, are growing much faster than the fried snacks. And because of consumers choosing healthier options, full sugar products are going to smaller portions like mini cans and smaller potato chip multi-packs. Therefore, the R&D spend that went into reduced sodium, fat, and sugar products is beginning to pay dividends. Hey, have you tried the hard Mitten Dew yet? Well, Ramon LaGuarta touched on the great product they've licensed to Boston Beer, the maker of Sam Adams, that is turning out very well in the United States where available. But while he thinks PepsiCo can bring new alcoholic brands to the market, they do want to keep the focus on large opportunities with just a few brands like Hard Mitten Dew, of course, both in full and no sugar, and they do not want to become a beer distributor. Now, I recently tried the Hard Mitten Dew Baja Blast, 0 sugar, no sugar in that bad boy, and it had a little bit of a Wet n Wild ending, which you can check out in this video right here, and if you click that, I will talk to you there.